Where does the name for Rachub come from? So today I'm in a small village that's either attached to or just outside of Bethesda in Gwynedd. Let's get into the name. So let's take a look at the name. Even though the name for Rachub is quite short, it's actually made of two parts. The first part is actually just the first letter, R. In Welsh, the word for the changes depending on the word it follows, a bit like the word in English. In English, is just before a word starting with a consonant, like in the phrase a cat, but it becomes an before a vowel, like in the phrase an apple. In Welsh, the word for the, functions in a similar way. It's before a consonant, like a gath, the cat, but it becomes before a vowel and the letter H, like in iaith, the language. Sometimes just gets shortened to just r and attached to the start of a word, especially in place names, for example, Refael or Reglwys in Gath Reglwys in nearby Llandeiniolen. So what is the second half? That's achub, and there's two meanings for that in Welsh. The more modern and most common meaning is to save or to protect or to rescue something. But the second meaning is a bit different, and it means a land holding or an occupation of land. And that confusion between the two meanings of the word achub have led to lots of local legends to explain the name, often including last stands and battles, but unfortunately I can't find any archaeology to back it up. The history of Rachub is fairly modern. It, like many of Bethesda's surrounding villages, largely increased in size in the time of the slate mines. Before this it appears to have been just a few houses and Carmel Chapel. And before this even, it was mostly just farmland, and may have been divided into two areas, called Cae Lloengrydd, the field of the shoemaker's thicket, I think, and Rachub itself. So the name means the land holding. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.